Wondering how to text someone who blocked you on iMessage? Normally, your text won't go through, but there is a little workaround. Open the Messages app on your iPhone and go into the conversation with that person. If your text never say delivered, it means they have blocked you. Tap and hold the message you want to send. Then select more and tap the share icon in the bottom right corner. Instead of their phone number, type in their email address. This way, the message will be sent through iMessage to their email. You can also send messages from your Apple ID. Here's how. Close this, launch your settings. Now scroll all the way down. Navigate to the option apps. From the list of apps, find messages. Click on it. Now here you're going to find the option of send and receive under iMessage. Click on that. Choose your email address instead of your phone number. Now go back into Messages app, open the chat, and your text will send from your Apple ID instead, and that's it. Even if someone blocked your number, you can still message them using your email or your Apple ID. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.